All right, let's talk about indentation in Python. So indentations, basically they refer to the spaces that we have at the beginning uh, of each line of code. So in Python, in many other programming languages, the indentation is basically for readability. It does not really affect the interpretation and compilation of the program. But in Python, indentation is very important. It affects how your program will run. So Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. For example, if I have this if statement, if 5 is greater than 2, then to show that I go to a block of code that belongs to this if statement, I need to create an indentation in here. And that this indentation is usually a tab, or it is about 4 character of spaces. So now I'll write here print 5 is greater than 2. All right. So now this is how indentation affects your Python programs. And if, for example, I somehow skip this indentation, now this if statement is created, this if statement is here, but it doesn't have a block. It doesn't have the rest of what it's supposed to do. Why? Because there is no indentation here. So if I run this code, I'll get an error. And if I create my indentation again, the code will run perfectly well. So that is indentation in Python. And I'll see you in the next episode.